How to put pictures in TikTok comments. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage, where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, navigate to a post you like. Then, tap on the comment icon from the side panel. Once you're in the comment section, go to a comment reply. After that, tap onto this video icon over here. TikTok will then take you to its camera page. Now from here, tap on the media. Select a photo from the gallery, then hit the next button. Now preview the photo and tap on Next. On this page, tap on Post. Once the upload is successful, you can go to the comment section and find your uploaded photo in the reply. So by following these steps, you can easily put pictures in TikTok comments. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.